The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is one of Lamborghini's most special supercars, produced in a limited run of just 900 coupe units at the Sant'Agata Bolognese factory in Italy. This is the only place where Lamborghini builds all of its cars and where traditional handcrafted techniques are combined with modern technology.
The aerodynamic improvements on the SVJ are clear here. We've managed to optimize the airflow by nearly 20% over the previous model.
Queste curve dell'ala sono fondamentali per l'aerodinamica. Dobbiamo ottimizzarle qui. Sono d'accordo, ma il peso strutturale potrebbe aumentare. Abbiamo considerato lo scenario di carico.
The process begins at the Sant'Agata Bolognese factory in Italy with the carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the most important part of the Aventador. This chassis is made entirely in-house by Lamborghini. Carbon fibers are hand-laid into molds, infused with resin, and then cured in an autoclave to achieve extremely high stiffness. On the SVJ, carbon fiber is also used extensively in the rear wing, hood, diffuser, and the ALA 2.0 active aerodynamics system, helping the car stay lightweight while remaining rigid and stable at high speeds. At the same time, the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine is assembled in a dedicated area. Each engine is fully built by hand by a single technician from start to finish. Once completed, the engine is tested on a dyno to check power output, stability, and durability. The SVJ uses several lightweight components, such as titanium valves and a special exhaust system, to achieve an output of 770 horsepower. The interior of the Aventador SVJ is almost entirely a domain of craftsmanship. Leather and Alcantara are hand-cut and hand-stitched, with distinctive visible stitching and extensive use of carbon fiber details. Customers can personalize nearly every element through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program, from stitching colors and SVJ logos to seat materials, the steering wheel, and the dashboard. When all components are ready, the car moves to the main assembly line dedicated to the V12 models. The most critical moment is the marriage, when the V12 engine is lowered into and mounted onto the carbon chassis. This is followed by the installation of the suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, four-wheel steering system, electronics, and then the body panels, doors, glass, and lights. The entire process is slow and precise, taking several weeks to complete each car.
Green Ithaca paint. A vibrant green mist hits the panel, turning it from gray to a shimmering green.
Next comes painting and final finishing. Aventador SVJ models often feature very distinctive paint colors, with many customers choosing matte finishes or fully customized colors. After painting, the rear wing, signature wheels, and final details are installed before the car moves on to quality inspection. Before delivery, every Aventador SVJ must pass a series of strict tests, including technical inspections, dyno runs, and test drives around the factory area. Even the smallest details, such as the sound of the doors closing or the exhaust note, are fine-tuned to perfection. Only after meeting all standards is the car handed over to the customer.
When the storm hits, the SVJ stands alone. Engineered for perfection, tested for the extreme.
When the road calls, few answer with such ferocity. This is the sound of triumph.
This slow, handcrafted, and extremely meticulous approach is what defines the value of the Aventador SVJ. It is not just a fast or powerful car, but the result of Italian craftsmanship, modern technology, and Lamborghini's uncompromising philosophy of building cars.